Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by launching Notes and creating your first note. This gets content captured immediately. Once done, tap the new note icon or press Command-N if you use a keyboard so you don't lose momentum. Make sure iCloud Sync is enabled in settings so your notes back up and appear on other devices. That prevents data loss and lets you access edits later. Also, enable Face ID or a passcode for locked notes if confidentiality matters. Now you'll structure and enrich your notes so they're usable. Start by creating folders and dragging notes into them. Folders make retrieval faster when you have many entries. Use the formatting bar for headings, bullets, or checklists to give hierarchy and actionability. Insert tables for simple data, tap the camera to scan documents or add photos, and use the Sketch tool with Apple Pencil for diagrams. These steps make notes versatile. Search works better. Finish by sharing, securing, and verifying your work so it's both useful and safe. You can tap the Share button to invite collaborators or export a note as PDF for distribution. Collaboration updates in real time. Lock sensitive notes and set or confirm your password and Face ID to protect private content. If syncing or missing notes occurs, toggle iCloud Notes off and on in settings, confirm Wi-Fi or cellular connectivity, and restart the iPad if necessary. Those quick steps usually resolve sync hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.